Hello guys, if you want to play EA Sports FC 27 10-hour trial with EA Play, the first thing you'll need is an active EA Play subscription. You can subscribe directly through your PlayStation, Xbox or the EA app on PC. Once the 10-hour trial becomes available, open your platform store and search for EA Sports FC 27. If you are an EA Play member, you'll see the option to download the trial version of the game. After downloading it, simply launch EA Sports FC 27 and start playing. You'll have a total of 10 hours of gameplay available with your EA Play membership. The 10-hour timer only counts while the game is running, so if you're done playing, make sure to completely close the game instead of leaving it running in the background. This will help you save your remaining trial time. The EA Sports FC 27 10-hour trial is available for PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One, Xbox Series X or S, and PC through the EA app with a standard EA Play subscription. If you have Xbox Game Pass Ultimate or PC Game Pass, you don't need to purchase EA Play separately since it's already included with your membership. You can simply download the trial once it's available and start playing. Any progress you make during the trial will carry over if you decide to purchase the full version of FC 27 later. That's all you need to do to play FC 27 10-hour trial with EA Play. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.